장사 수배 자제 스모요라 통마 삼지슈야다 디링 년도대 간시나 제가다 저외 년도지 대한산의 뉴저시도 내도제베 파텐지 니말라다 마소나 도말라 남녀지 보모 따라 하드에 니말라 파마니지 잠제트 상로 중에 다자 랑로 주주 시보소 마송자 파마니지 고지워 랑로 주주 선배 제가 송지 쉬는게도 디송자 토마르 야병니다 보모 따라 하드에 니말라 소주에 남미 빈제 간일로가 도보도모 연소바라 삼지다시 데레슈야다 마음바나야 보모 따라 하드에 니말라 파마니지 렌도다 롭종 타르진용네 지조라 자샤 펜데 자침부지 두투베 자시민데 쉬야니 도디나 디리 제가다 데베 냠바 삼바지 자제스 모남지 젤람도 싱비 쉬야니 센지도 시주 마니마 나로나 쉬야다 디리 년도디 하장 링부 송자 아니 자제스 모남지 식 대외치도 삼바니 제제 남바조 젤람도 싱비 쉬야니 tun지식 나로나
Shebe Side Parto Denkurchi, She Chuba Six Sambun Dun Sudi, Tari, Digar Pepe, Anzu Pomotara Lajo Nimegi, Ani Lona Chudu Sumbe, Tungala Pepe, Tokodan Tomo, Nami Punji, Kanye Logar, Namalaya Sangmalia, Tara Lajo Nimegi, Nami Sapshune, Chambale, Shuayi. 아니 나도 망고지기 망고싱거리야 망고지싱겨 말에 제장에 모르럽 수비나 예민리야 임지왕도 수유 된다 된다 가지고 버티 스위 16 버티 단등에 따라라도 니마 빠라기 충두기 더보이 일라서는 따라라기 아니 낭미 가보니부터 세니 제장 프라니 기타리 ngala mixe gi mc gi nyamnyo da de kha yo mari ina ya zo kaboda nibo choboda chobo gi dushi gi enkrang gi mc chero che sen ngala khob de na so che sa dara la twen ni ma gi dari gi langzo gonglo jutu sembe gi ane kegar delia ane nge du sen mc chigi chumbadela kaboda chobo ngone du kenen shubi che sa dari gonda mang che je ngazo delia 제림 페제 조용아 주두 드레스도 이단 디길이야다 제림 망고 슈지 요데버레 안에 남발랭게 상마기 다리 공다디다 보메로 주두게 랑주 타르베기 디 인도 쪼보당 가보 기보 하버도 마옹 벨론데 나리아 범다라 모라 아니 지 자왈람도 용화다 네메체리 용화 하버도 아니 지 딱간다 나서 탈라 바베 가도 랑주기 기보 용베저 문두슈아이 다린체
和长度从一个芒种过去出过长卷。
More. my name is Angeli. I am one of Tara's close friends, and I'm so happy to be here today to tell everyone how important Tara is to me and to all of her friends and loved ones. Okay. I first met Tara in 7th grade when we were in the same class, and I immediately realized what a special, unique person she is. Tara has a goofy sense of humor that I love. If you make a TikTok with Tara, you know that she will make you laugh with her funny dance poses and silly faces. Anyone who knows Tara also knows how smart and hardworking she is. Tara currently takes 5 AP classes and has a 4.0 GPA. I know that she is going to continue to do amazing things in college and beyond. She will make a difference in whatever profession she chooses. Tara is also very energetic, fun-loving, and adventurous. The biggest adventure of our lives is going to India together for 7 weeks the summer before 10th grade. The adventures we went through in India will be lifetime memories we both will never forget. Tara is one of the most loyal people I have ever met, and I really feel like we are going to be friends forever and give speeches like this at each other's weddings. I'm sure all of Tara's friends feel the same way I do. Nobody is more trustworthy and loyal than Tara. I feel like I can tell Tara all of my problems, and she's always supportive and gives the best advice. I'm sorry, Tara. There is nobody better than her to have in your corner. Tara is the mom out of our friend group, protective and always supportive. The most important trait, and the trait I admire the most in Tara, is that she is a good and moral person. Tara instantly knows right from wrong and always will stand up and fight for what's right. She treats everyone like a friend, and I am so grateful to have Tara in my life. Happy birthday, I love you.
Hi everyone, I'd like to start off by saying happy birthday to Tara. A round of applause to the birthday girl. I'm so happy to be up here delivering this speech for my favorite girl and best friend since birth. 2009 is when we were first brought to this earth, just 11 days apart from each other. We were destined to be each other's soul sister and built-in best friend for life. 2012 is when we attended preschool together and shared memories of Chuck E. Cheese dates with our moms and Welch's gummies with our grandpa on people's porch steps. 2013 is when I moved back to Connecticut, and that was the last time Tara and I lived in the same state. Even living 2 hours from each other, our bond never altered nor changed. In the following years, from 2014 to 2019, we entered our sassy pre-adolescent era where we got into petty disagreements and only made up by learning new dances with each other. From 2020 to 2022, we entered our tween phase where we did anything in our power to be like our cooler older cousins, even if the means embarrassed us. Those are the years we became the closest and told each other secrets that we wouldn't tell anybody else. 2023 and 2024 were our first years being teenagers, where we were trying to navigate high school while also trying to make time for each other and keep one another updated. 2025 to present time, Tara and I are now finding our way into young adulthood and turning into the amazing young women that we always dreamt of being. Tara is the most strong-willed, intelligent, honest, beautiful, playful, funny, cutest girl I ever know. And I know that she's going to become the best person that she'll want to be if she puts her mind to it. Please stay true to yourself and never change. I love you. Happy birthday.
Right, thank you, Inder. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. So Please come on the stage. All right, you guys with me? Please make some noise. All right, 가수 찾아주시로나. 어제나.
Hi everybody! I wanted to start off by saying thank you to everyone for being here tonight and celebrating my 16th birthday. I hope everyone's having an amazing time. I know I am. And this could not have happened without my lovely family. Okay. So first and foremost, I have to talk about my parents. To my pala and amla, thank you guys so much for everything. Thank you, Paula, for always listening to me, buying me Chipotle whenever I'm asked, and always giving me little gifts. And thank you, Amla, for always making me breakfast, cleaning my room, and watching movies with me on Friday nights. But more importantly, thank you for taking care of me, always wanting the best for me, always doing what is the best for me, and for loving me with all your heart. I cannot put into words how much I appreciate and love you guys. You guys are my home, my strength, and the reason I work so hard for everything, and I could not have asked for better parents. Actually, I could not imagine my life at all with you guys. I don't say it often, but you guys are so amazing. You moved to America from India and Tibet, had to settle here, get used to everything society, and had to find jobs and take care of our family. I know it wasn't easy, and I know it's not easy now either, working while also taking care of a teenage girl. I know I can be very irritating and have a really bad attitude, so I just wanted to say, I see how hard you guys work every day. I appreciate you so much. And one day, when I become Dr. Nima, the pediatric oncologist, I will give you guys the life you deserve. Thank you for dealing with me and giving me more than I could ever ask for. Moving forward, I have to thank the rest of my family. Ivy, Azum Yanki, Jojo Pauber, Ashang Sangye, Ashang Wangdu, Aunt Jody, Ashang Dawa, Aja Dorji, Azum Tain, Aja Anan, Analiki, for always being there for me and for my family, and especially for my mom. I know you guys are the people she can first turn to when she needs help with anything in her life. I am so grateful to have you guys in my life. You guys would always take care of me when I was young and still do now. Thank you guys so much. I love you. I also need to give a big thanks to Mehmet, my grandpa. Although he passed many years ago and could not be here tonight, him and Ivy would always take care of me, and for that I am forever grateful. When I was younger, Mehmet and Ivy would always come pick me up after school. He would buy me McDonald's almost every day. Sorry. And always let me watch his phone, even when Amila said I was not allowed to. I miss you every day, and I wish you were still here with us, so thank you for everything you have done for me. I would like to give the next thanks to Gebojung and Auntie Kunsang and Chiring and Tisam. These people are like my second family. It's really funny because I've known this family all my life because of Bipalapta, but thank you. I've known this family all my life because of Bipalapta, but we only truly started knowing each other when we both moved to New Jersey. I have only known these four for about 5 years now, and I am so grateful to have them in my life. They are one of the most kind and caring families I have met, and we will always help each other out. I know that when my family is not around, I can go to them for anything. Thank you guys for being in my life and caring for my family. Now, speaking about second families, I obviously have to mention Seong, Ziki, and Maria. I love you guys so much. You guys are literally the first family I've made on my own that's not related to me by blood. Seong, you... I'm sorry. You are literally my girl. Like, you are so sweet and so childish. I love being around you. Ziki, the same thing goes for you. You have the sweetest smile ever and never fail to make me laugh. I'm sorry. Okay. Maria, you are the funniest person ever. I'm so glad to have you in my life. And finally, Angeli, my best friend, I do not know what I would do without you. You just get me, and I just get you. Even though when we first met, you didn't like me, I always knew that you were a good person, and I really wanted to be your friend. I've never had to fake a smile with you or anything like that because you are just so special to me. I have so much love for you in my heart. You have such a kind soul and literally are the best friend ever. You always, and I mean always, make me feel so special on my birthdays, and I know I can tell you anything. I love you guys so much. You guys are the people that I know for a fact will always be in my life, even if we are not blood related. I have to give a very, very, very big thanks to Auntie Pemba, Auntie Migmore, Auntie Tashi, Auntie Tiring, Auntie Pema, Auntie Dorji, Auntie Kunsang, Auntie Doma, Auntie Chung Chung, and everybody else who has come to help me and my family make this night beautiful and amazing. These people have helped my mom make the decorations, prepare the food, and do overall everything to put this party together. I could not be more grateful to you guys for putting your time into me and into my birthday. It really shows how compassionate and kind you guys are as people. I love you all very much and thank you for all the effort and time put into this night. I would also like to take some time to appreciate my Pimokoy family. This side of my family is the side that I'm always excited to be around. Whenever a holiday comes, I always ask my mom if we were holding a gathering together because I love being around them. Thank you guys, all of you, for being the light in my life. I also want to give a special thanks to Ani Dorji and Ani Pema because these two are like my second moms. They are the original trio who had 3 amazing children, me, Topke, and Yindo, who also become Ibasam, which means us 3 in Pimokoy. I also have to give a special shout out to Antashi, the girl who's always there for me, always driving me around, and the girl I spend most of my time with. I love you guys so much. I obviously have to give the biggest shout out to my friends who came all the way from New Jersey to be here. I know it was really complicated and a bit difficult finding rides and convincing your parents to let you attend tonight, but it truly means the world to me that you guys came. You guys are literally the only reason I can survive school. It's literally us against the world or us against Becton or literally, I don't know. I hope our friendship will be long lasting because each and every one of you are such an amazing person and I just love you guys. Thank you guys so much for being here and being such good friends. Okay, last but not least, this one's for my trio, my Illuminati squad, and my best friends, Toke and Yindo. I love these two with all my heart. You guys have literally been there with me since birth, and it was so amazing watching all of us grow up together and grow into such amazing people. Toke, I love you. Even though you annoy me a lot, you still have such a good heart and a sweet soul. You are a very talented and amazing person. You are just someone who will always have a place in my heart. Yindo, I love you so much, my BFF and more F. Like nobody can understand how much love for you I have in my heart. We went from little babies to playing mermaids in the pool to playing vampires in my room to the teenagers, or should I say young ladies we are now. We have been through thick and thin together, through every emo phase, every indie phase, every alt phase, every visco phase, any little phase we had it together. You know me better than anybody else ever could. And I know you like no one else ever could. I know for a fact that in every lifetime we are best friends. Because that is how strong our friendship is. You are the first person I go to for anything in my life. You are my person and I love you more than I can put into words. Thank you everybody for coming here tonight to celebrate me. I know for some it was a little difficult and for others not so much. Thank you to my family from Canada for coming. Thank you to those from Massachusetts for coming. Thank you to those coming from New Jersey and Connecticut. It means the world to me that all of you have gathered here today to celebrate my 16th birthday. I hope you enjoyed your time here so far and enjoy the rest of the night. Thank you.